Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR Camera. This AL's variety camera bundle includes Transcend 64GB Class 10 SD memory card, 58mm UV filter, 58mm tulip hood, tripod, camera gadget bag case, tripod, gripster tripod, wrist grip, video/photo editing software pack, battery charger. Number 2. Flashlight with LCD display adapter rings. This 550D LED ring flash is specially designed to use in the field of macroshot, scientific research, medical research, and personal photography in a very close distance shooting. The ring flash comes with a LCD display, which is easy to use the ring flashlight even in the dark. It features 4 lighting modes along with the 7-level brightness adjustments to meet your different higher photography requirements. Number 3. 58mm 0.43x Altura Photo Professional HD wide-angle lens. Easily screws on to the front of your lens and instantly expands the field of view for breathtaking wide-angle photography. Features a detachable macro lens for extremely high-resolution close-ups of small objects. Number 4. Canon PowerShot V10 Camera. Canon PowerShot V10 vlogging camera features a sleek, pocket-sized design, perfect for on-the-go creativity. Enjoy the ultimate, compact digital camera in portability and ease of use, versatile vlogging camera. Incredible low-light capabilities with a 15.2-megapixel 1-inch back-illuminated CMOS sensor, features a retractable front-facing screen. Number 5. Powerextra LCD Display Flash Speedlite. Great camera flash with high guide number 33, ISO 100, 35mm, supports manual/S1/S2/multi-flash mode. Compatible with most CA Nikon Panasonic Olympus Pentax and other DSLR cameras with standard hot shoe and Sony camera with NUMI hot shoe like Sony.